how to do a sweep in Fusion 360. So we are first going to draw our shape on the axis you need. So we'll just do a 20mm circle, and then from there, select the wrong axis there, let's get rid of that sketch, go again on that one there. We are going to draw a spline, just a fit point spline. Just click wherever, and we're just going to make a simple tube in this example. So what we've done is we've drawn our selected face and we've drawn our profile. So you want to click on create under solids, a sweep. You've got your profile, which is the circle we drew, and then the path, which is the spline we've just drawn as well. And there you have it. Obviously you can select what you want, so if you select cut, obviously that'll cut material away, new component, that'll make the component body, it's a new body, and then join as well, that will join onto existing bodies to create one body. So there you go, that is our shape, what we've done, and that is how you do a sweep in Fusion 360.